We are just about 1 month out from the next presidential election, and that means that your clients, everywhere they look, they are getting news about the election year and how it might affect the economy and the markets and their investments. We wanted to make it really, really easy for you as an advisor to be the person that they are getting information from about what the impact of the election could mean for their investments. And so we put together an amazing, ready to use email and social post and even a blog post that we are giving away to any advisor who wants to use it to allow you to really easily communicate with your clients about presidential elections and the markets. We partnered up with our friends at YChart. So we have this amazing graph that shows the impact over time and then has some really great data points to just really help ease people's fears and put things into context. All of this is put together here in a doc where you can copy and paste it into any email service provider or social media scheduler that you want to use. You can also edit it before you post if you want, but the graphs, the charts, everything is there for you, everything you need to really help be the voice of reason and be the one communicating with your clients. These types of communications are what you will find in FMG's Do It For Me program. And if you want to learn more about that, there will also be a link where you can click to learn more, but this is completely free for any advisor to use, and you can get the link to check it out.